Hey y'all, it's Leslie, and I wanted to show you show you that sometimes when you do something wrong and something is glued down and it's glued flat, there are ways to get around it if you make mistakes. And this is one of my favorite tools in the world. It is a Cricut spatula from back in the early days of Cricut, but it is a very flat piece of metal spatula. It's much thinner than what you get in the kitchen, and it's definitely worth the price of. They only sell them in a kit now, and but it's definitely worth the price of the kit to get it. It's got other tools with it that you could use in your crafting as well, but usually for around $8 to $10 you can get the whole kit, and this is worth every bit of it. So what I do is I just start on a corner, and I'll show you here if I had not started. This corner just happens to not be very glued, but I haven't started down here on this end. I did up here at the top. And one of the things that you want to do is make sure that you keep it flat on your surface, because you're going to be doing a sawing motion like this. And you're just going to saw back and forth like this, and if you start seeing that there's a little bit of a wrinkle happening with your photo, I back out and I go in a different direction, because usually what I can do is when I go in that different direction, I'll get into the glue in a different way, and it'll save. Because sometimes if you don't have it flat, you can end up going too much into your paper and go too deep, or you can go too shallow and even come out of your embellishment or photo. So as you see, I have managed to get it up, and let's look at the damage here. There's a little bit of damage to this background, so if I wanted the background plain, I would not be able to do that. I'd have to put some embellishments or something on there, but now I'm able to take the photo that was upside down, and I'm able to glue it back so that it will be correct. And I will just do that, obviously, with a different glue, because this one needs to be cleaned. This one doesn't have a fine tip. I have to be very careful about how much I put, and I put too much. Okay. You just can't even glue really with that one because it's such a big tip. Okay, so let me make sure I make it even here. Make sure that I put it the right way up this time, and I do it down, and look at there, it's all corrected. Thank you for stopping by. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.